In this video, I'll show you how to use your email marketing Canva design in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the left-hand side. This will be the navigation panel. At the top, click on Create. Once you click on Create, on the left-hand side, you want to choose Email. At the bottom, you will choose a regular email. From here, we will set this as Email Marketing, and we will also indicate Canva. Once you're done, at the bottom, click on the Begin button. That will take you to the page wherein you want to start from a template. We will not choose any of these options, but at the bottom, we want to choose Start from Scratch. Once you are on Start from Scratch, as you can see, we'll automatically have an image block. Let's say you don't have an image block. Simply head over to the Content Block section. At the bottom, you want to simply hold image and drag it within your email design. Once you do that, as you can see, when the image is selected, at the bottom, you can choose to add from Canva. So click on Add from Canva. That will open the Content Studio, and on the left-hand side, Canva is selected. Now on the Content Studio, what you need to do is simply choose the marketing email. Let's say we want to choose this weekly newsletter. And once you have that, at the top in the right corner, click on Insert. And once you click on Insert, it will automatically be added within your campaign. Now what you can do from here is at the top, if you have the logo, click on it. On the right-hand side, you can remove this block. And if you can see this option, simply click on the header. On the right-hand side of the header, click on the three dots for more options, and then click on Delete. You also want to do the same thing for the footer. On the right-hand side, three dots for more options and click on Delete. You also want to delete a few elements. What you need to do is only have the Canva design as the design. So from here on the image, on the left-hand side, you want to scale this so that it fits the whole screen. Now, what you can notice is that behind this design, we have a white box. So what you need to do to change that to the exact color is simply click on the body. On the left-hand side, you have here your section backgrounds. Simply click on that. In here, you can change the background color as well as the content background color. Let's say we want to change the content background color and we need to add a hex color. Now to add the exact color from Canva, head over to Canva. From here, you want to simply click on the background color. At the top, click on the palette. On the left-hand side, you want to choose the selected color. And at the bottom, you will find the hex code. Now press on Ctrl-C to copy the hex code. Head over back to Mailchimp. From here, you can just simply paste the hex code and it will automatically change to that. You can also change the body. So on the background color, we will set this as the same in this email. And once you have that, as you can see, it will automatically change to that color. I do suggest that you change the background color to transparent or white so that it will look a bit nice. It will have a border. Once you're done, head over to the top and the right corner, click on Save and Exit. And once you click on Save and Exit, the next step is to add your options in order for you to send your email marketing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.